Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power n plus n, arise as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. And this here we have 5 raised to power x times 5 squared equals to 90 from here. The next step can rise as 5 raised to power x times 5 squared 5 times 5, that's 25, equals to 90 on this side. Also, from here, divide both sides by 25. Divide this side by 25. Also, divide this side by 25. As this 25 cancelled each other here, we have 5 raised to power x equals to 90 over 25, which implies here we have 5 raised to power x equals to 5 times 18 over 5 times 5. As this 5 cancelled each other here, this becomes 5 raised to power x equals to 18 over 5. The next step here, we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 18 over 5 here. The next step here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log n raised to power p, which is something as p log n. That is, here we have x log 5 equals to log 18 over 5 here. Then, also here, this follows when we have log a over b, which is same thing as log a minus log b. This here we can write it as x log 5 equals to log 18 minus log 5. Then next step here, we divide both sides by log 5. Divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5, which implies here log 5 cancelled each other here. We have x equals to log 18 over log 5 minus log 5 over log 5. Then here log 5 cancelled each other. We have 1 left, which implies x equals to log 18 over log 5 minus 1. And also here 18 can be expressed as 2 times 9. As this, we have x equals to log 2 times 9 over log 5 minus 1. And this also follows the law of logarithm when we have log a times b, which can be written as log a plus log b. Then here we have x equals to log 2 plus log 9 over log 5 minus 1. Also here we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 2 over log 5 plus log 9 over log 5 minus 1. As this, here 9 can be written as 3 times 3, that's 3 square. All we have becomes x equals to log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 squared over log 5 minus 1. And we apply the power law of logarithm. 3 comes there. This becomes x equals to log 2 over log 5 plus 2 log 3 over log 5 minus 1. Then, next step here, we apply change of base when we have log a over log b. This is same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have x equals to log 2 base 5 plus 2 log 3 base 5 minus 1. This we have the value of x in this problem. And let's check if this satisfies this given problem. And this will substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to log 2 base 5 plus 2 log 3 base 5 minus 1. Then what we have here becomes 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 plus 2 log 3 base 5 minus 1, then plus 2 here. Is it equals to 90 on this side? And here we have 2 minus 1, that's 1. Arise as 5 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus 2 log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 90 on this side? When we apply the law of indices, when we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. For this here we can write as 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power 2 log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 90 on this side? And 5 raised to power 1, that's 5 times. Here we have 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times. Here we reverse this 2 from power log. We have 5 raised to power log 3 square is 5. Is it equals to 90 on this side? This here we have 5 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times. This becomes 5 raised to power log 3 squared as 9 is 5. This is equals to 90 on this side. That is, this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. This here we have 5 times 2 and times 9. Is it equals to 90 on this side? And 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 9, that's 90, which is equals to 90 on this side. This left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Therefore, we conclude that x equals to log 2 base 5 plus 2 log 3 base 5 minus 1 satisfies this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.